2, 1, go!
Welcome to Character Creation Series Episode 1 Part 1. Today we will be creating a custom girlfriend character. Things you will need: some character art PNGs, Adobe Animate, basic knowledge on Adobe Animate, and last but not least, hands. Now go to Google and search FNF GetHub. Go to the GetHub page. Go to Art, Flash Files. Here you will find all the project files for Friday Night Funkin'. Download the gfassets.fla file and open it. Here you will find all the animations for girlfriend. If you double click on the girlfriend on any frame, you can access the animations. Double click again to access the buffle animations.
Pretty good.
Click again to access the small buffle animation. Now add your artwork and start animating.
Three, two, one, go!
The buffles are complete. Now we will add and animate our character the same way. Alright. I have made the idle animation. Now make all the other animations.
2, 1, go!
Here is the finished product. I did not make the hair blowing animations because he doesn't have hair. Now go to the library and select the animations you just made. Right-click and select Generate Sprite Sheet. This is the sprite sheet.
Pretty good.
Change the dimensions to 8192 by 8192. Data format should be set to Sparrow v2. Now export it. That's it for part 1. See you in part 2.